Hello, good morning students. Till now we already finished up to question number 5 of 7.4. And in previous class we learned how to compare fractions, how to compare of proper fraction, how to compare of improper fractions. Okay, so we already learned how to compare the fractions and also how to compare of like fraction and how to compare of unlike fraction. Everyone know what is like fraction? Fractions whose denominator are same are called like fraction, and how to compare of unlike fraction we already learned. Now we are question number 6. Question number 6. The following fraction represents just 3 different numbers. There are following different fraction are given and which are showing the different numbers. Okay, separate them into 3 groups. We have to make 3 groups, okay, of equivalent fraction. So first is A, 2 by what is given 2 by 12, and we have to write in already in question is given by changing each one of its in simplest form, and everyone knows a simplest form. What is simplest form? Simplest form of a fraction mean there is a no common factor in numerator and a denominator. Any common factor? Yes, we can cut by 2 1 1, 2 6 what is come 1 upon 6. Same as it is B, 3 upon 15. Any common factor? Yes, 3 1 3, 3 5 1 upon 5. Understand or not? Always simplest form how can we find? There is a no common factor in numerator and denominator. Any common factor in 1 and 5? Yes, only 1 is common factor, but except then 1. If any common factor, then we will solve it. But there is only 1 is common factor. So it means 1 by 5. 6. C part 8 by 50. Any common factor? Yes. 2 4 2 25. Any common factor? Here is 2 common factor, but 2 cannot divide 25. In 25, what is common factor? 5. So 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5 is remain 5 it is, but 4 is not divided by, so this one, so no common factor. Okay, same as it is D part. D is 16 divided by 100. Any common factor? Yes. Otherwise you can cut directly. 2 8 2 5 0 2 4 2 25 4 upon 25. Otherwise you can write like this one, 16 equal to, we will write 16 divided by 100. We will write factor 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16. We already learned. Okay, 2 into 5 2 into 5 into 2 into 2 and 5 into 5, like this one. 2 cut by 2, 2 cut by 2. Now 2 into 2 4, 5 into 5 25. You can do by this one also. Otherwise you can cut it direct also. Next is E part. E is 10 divided by 60. So 0 cut by 0. What is remain? 1 upon 6. E. F. Next is F. What is 15 divided by, suppose we are taking 15 divided by 75. So we will cut by 3. 3 5 3 25 5 1 and 5. What is remain? 1 upon 5. And rest of fraction you will solve yourself. Now what we will write? We have to make how many group? We have to make a 3 group. So we will write first group. So there are how many fractions? 1 by 6, 1 by 5, 4 by 15, 4 by 15. Yes, these are both are same group. 1 by 6, 1 by 6, they are the same group. 1 by 5, 1 by 5. These are the, so first group 1 upon 6. So first group we will make equivalent to 1 upon 6. Which one are? So we equivalent, first group equivalent to 1 by 6 to R. So which one? 1 by 6, 2 by 12, all are same group. 1 by 6, another one, which one? 10 by 60. Oh, both are of the same group. Same as it is, we can make for the second group. So we can make second group for 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 5 are which one? 1 upon 5, 3 upon 15. Next is 1 upon 5, which one? 15 by 75. Same as it is, you can make, I think, third group is which one? 4 upon 25. So same as it is, you will solve all the fractions, and there are the three groups is become. First is 1 by 6, 1 by 5 and 4 upon 25. And which one are 1 by 6? 1 by 6, we will write it together. Okay, same as it is, we can write. I think it is very easy. Next is question number 7. Now question number 7. Find answer to the following. Write and indicate how you solve them. So first part is 5 by 9 equal to 4 upon 5. And it means we have to check if they are equal or not. How will you check it? We will make first denominator is same. And denominator here is 9, here is 5. And denominator, how can we make same? First we take the LCM. Whose of denominator? Right? LCM of 9 and denominator. 9 and 5 is how much? So find LCM 9. Any prime number, which one? Both number can be divided. Can we divide both number by 2? No. Can we divide both number by 3? No. Only 9 is divided by 5. So it means no any number which both we can divide. So it means LCM is 9 into 5. If it is no any number which one we can divide both number, so we will direct multiply. 9 into 5, 45. So what is 45? So it means we have to make denominator is how much? 45. So we will make denominator 45. 5 divided by 9. Yes. Tell me what number you will multiply by 9, then it become 9 we want to make 45. So what number you multiply? 9 into 5. In numerator also by same number. Always multiply or divide numerator and denominator by same number. So 25. So 25. So 5 by 9 means 25 by 45. Same as it is. 4 upon 5. So denominator we want to make. What we want to make denominator? 45. So what number you multiply by 5, then it will become 45. So 5, 9. 5 into 9, 45. So 9 into 4 into 9, 36. And can you say that denominator is 45, 45. Now can you compare? Yes. 25 divided by 45 and it is 36 divided by. So it means they are equal? No. 36 upon 45 is greater. But in the question he is asking they are equal or not. So we will write. So you can write next 25 divided by 45 is not equal to, it is equal sign and not equal is 36 by 45. So you can write 25 divided by 45 by mean 5 by 9 not equal to 36 divided by 45 means 4 upon 5. They are not equal. So same as it is, you can do B, C and D part. Always first If you want to compare they are equal, smaller or greater, always we will take the LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator. We will make the denominator same. Then we can compare easily. Okay. Next is I think you can do yourself B, C and D part. Okay. Otherwise C part you can look at C part. 7 C part is 4 by 5 equal to 16 divided by 20. 16 divided by 20. So it means their denominator, here is denominator 5, here is 20. So we will take first, we will make the denominator same, and denominator how can we make same? By LCM. LCM of 5 and 20 is, so LCM, so 5 and 20 they are divided by 2, both number no, but they are divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja. So what is LCM? So LCM is 5 multiply 1 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20. Okay, is 20. You can multiply direct also. Multiply of 5 and 20. LCM is 100 also you can take, is right, but 100 is a greater number. So it is easy to make a smaller number. Next is 20. So it means 4 upon 5. So 4 multiply and 5 multiply, it means what number you multiply by 5, then it become 100. It's not 100, it is 20. So what number? 5 into 4. So numerator also by 4. 16 by 20. Same as it is. 16 by 20. So 16 multiply 1. 20 multiply. Yes. What number you multiply by 20, then it become 20. Is 1. 1. 6. So 16 by 20. Can you say that? It is 16 by 20. It is 16 by 10. They are equal? Yes. They are equal. Yes. So you can write 16 divided by 20 equal to 16 by 20. And 16 by 20 means 4 by 5. And here it is equal to 16 by 20. You can write yes. They are equal. Okay, so right, this one you can write very easy. Only you have to make the denominator is same. Next, question number 8, 9 and 10. 3 more question is left. I will explain only 8 and 10. 9 question you will do yourself. Okay. Yes, question number 8 is given. Ela read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Right. Total pages in a book. How much? Is 100. 100 are not given. And Ela reads number of pages. How much? 25. So we have to find, and Lalita read 2 upon 5 of the same book. Book is same. It means both are reading of the same book. Who read less? So how can you find who read less and who read more? So first we have to find its fraction, because Lalita is reading 2 upon 5. It is a fraction. But here is Ela read 25 pages. So it is a number. How many number? But so it means we have to find the how much fraction read by the Ela. So write fraction of number of pages read by Ela. How much you will find fraction? Fraction always, I already told you, in denominator always total number. Always, whenever teacher you give the marks, how will you give? 20 divided by 50. It's mean you got out of 50, you got 20. So total marks always downside. Same as total marks is, total page is 100. How much? See, read 25 by. So 25 by 100. We can write it is in simplest form. Yes, simplest form mean there is no common factor in numerator and denominator except then 1. So we will cut 5, 5 the 5, 25, 1, 5, 4. So how much read by the, how much fraction read by the Ela? 1 upon 4. Same as it is. Lalita read the book in fraction. How much fraction read by the Lalita? 2 upon 5. So he is asking which one read less, and less or more, how can you compare? 1 by 4 and 2 upon 5. Same as it is, we can learn by the comparing fraction. How can we compare fraction? By taking LCM. You can write LCM of 4 and 5 is, it is come 20. It is 20. Okay. So you can write 1 upon 4. So what number you will multiply by 4, then it become 20. So it is 4 upon 5. So 1 into 5. So it means 5 divided by 20. Same as it is. 2 upon 5. What number you multiply by 5, then it become 20. So 4 into 4. So 8 by 20. So tell me which one is greater? 8 upon 20. So you can write 8 upon 20 greater than 5 upon 20. And 8 upon 20 means 2 upon 5 greater than 1 upon 5. So it means 2 by 5 who read? Lalita. So but in the question what we want to find? Who read less? So read less 1 upon 4. Who is Ela? So right? Ela reads the less. So he is asking who read less. So Ela reads the less. Okay. It is very simple. Only you have to compare. Or you understand how can we compare the fraction? By making denominator is same. Next is same. Question number 9 you will do yourself. Same as it is. In the question number 9 it is given Rafiq exercised 3 upon 6 for an hour and Rohit exercised 3 upon 4 of an hour. Who exercised longer time? So who is longer? So how we can find? First we will make the denominator is same and then we will compare. So do yourself this question. Easy questions. Next is question number 10. Question number 10. In a class A of 25 students, so write total number of students in class A. How much? 25. Next is 20 passed in first class. To write number of students passed in first class. So how much is 20? Same as it is. In class B of 30 students and passed 24. In which class was a greater fraction of students getting first class? So we have to find in which class the number of students getting first class. So right. So fraction of class A in first class. So how many students passed in first class? How will you find? Always total is downside and it is 20. So what is 4? 5 4 the 5 5 जा. Always divide and multiply by the same number. So 20 divided by 5, 4. 25 divided by 5. So what is 4 upon 5? Same as it is. Total number of student in class B, how much? 30 student. And same as it is, number of students passed in first class. So in class B also 24 student passed in first class. So we will find fraction also. To write fraction of class B in first class. How much? Total 30 and it is 24. You can cut by 2 also. You can cut by, yes, we know both number are divided by 6 also. 6 4 ja, 6 5 ja, but both numbers should be divided by the same number. Okay, 4 upon 5, 4 upon 5. So in the asking in the question, in which class was a greater fraction of the student getting first class? So in which class is greater? Both are same. You can write in both classes, A and B, in both classes A and B, fraction of number of students, fraction of students passed in first class is same. So fraction is same. Understand or not? I hope you understand it. Okay. So we already finished 7.4 also. Understand? Tomorrow we will learn how to add and subtract the fraction. But first you have to learn how to find the LCM and how to make the numerator is same. Okay? Understand or not? Okay. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day, good day. If you have any problem, you can ask me any time. Okay. So finish 7.4 also. Okay. Thank you.